Today we're at Sylvan Hills Middle School. We're here for the ribbon cutting of the Verizon Innovative Learning Lab. This is lab number 5 in the district. We'll have 4 more after this. And it's just a great experience for our students to be able to engage in hands-on learning. These are future engineers and they're going to be coding. Of course, Merge is a huge part of that. They're going to be coding and creating and just designing all kinds of amazing things that they can take out of their head and actually put into some kind of physical something.
This is a space for our students to create and iterate on ideas and design and play with all sorts of, I don't want to say play, engage with all sorts of powerful tech tools with augmented reality, virtual reality, robotics, coding, 3D design. It's just an amazing space.
When you think about what we're doing here, we're doing this all across the country. We have over 600 of these schools across the country, and we've committed to investing in students to really see how we can unlock the potential that they have for their careers in the future.
So the impact is just looking at the ability to have this technology at their hand. They may not have it anywhere else or have the opportunity to be in it, but it's just preparing our students as they matriculate to high school and then further on into college and into their career. It's giving them that opportunity to learn certain skills early on to prepare them for a global society later on in life.
It's so important to take that learning off of the pages of a textbook and see it in real life. It really does something. I always think about when I was in school and we didn't have any of this, and to read about like the skeletal system or something like that, to read about it and see a picture is one thing, but to be able to take a merge cube and move it and take things apart and I mean, it just makes learning stick in a whole new way.
It's a wow factor, yes, but it's a way for students. It makes it more accessible. It's hard for teachers to be able to buy the supplies for Bunsen burners and dissecting frogs and human anatomy, all of that stuff, when I can have it in the palm of my hand and examine it in a safe way.
When you give teachers access to more transformative tech, I think it also helps to transform how they are learning and how they are teaching. And what I think about that for the future is it just unlocks the possibilities for not just the students, but also the teachers as well.
This is the next. This is the real world. These are real world opportunities. So this allows our students to look beyond just the books. It allows them to actually step out beyond the 4 walls. So we're super excited with the AR, with the VR, with all of the tools that are here that will allow them to transition to what's next. Who knows? The next engineer is here, the next creator, the next social media podcaster, all of those are right here just because of these tools.
Like I always tell everyone, I can't control what goes on outside of 1461 Sylvan Road with our students, but giving them that great experience inside of the building allows for our students, to have an opportunity and a chance and look beyond. And we're already seeing some things that's changing with our attendance approved. Attendance students are excited about being in school. We're sure that this lab and with the cube and the technology in place of 3D printing, that is also going to give students the opportunity to be more excited about coming. And we're going to see some changes in our science and math scores as well. So the biggest thing is just the impact that it's going to have right here in the city of Atlanta with our students saying we can compete with anybody across this world. And that's exciting for us here. And that's why we're so excited about this opportunity in this lab.